Converting recurring decimals to fractions. How will you convert a recurring decimal to a fraction if the recurring part doesn't come right after the decimal point? We have to follow a slightly different method from the earlier examples. Express 0.14 as a fraction. In this example, since there is only one dot, only the digit 4 is repeated and the recurring decimal is 0.14444. Let's follow a step-by-step procedure. Name your decimal, let's say r. Multiply r by 10 till one full set of the recurring decimals moves to the left of the decimal point. Multiply r by 10 until the non-recurring decimals move to the left of the decimal point. Subtract the smaller from the larger value. Find the value of r and simplify. Let's call the recurring decimal of 0.14 as r. On multiplying both sides by 10, we get 10 r equals 1.4 recurring. On multiplying both sides by 10, we get 100 r equals 14.4 recurring. Since one full set of recurring digits has been moved to the left, we can stop the multiplication. Now, let's move on to step 3 and multiply r by 10 until the non-recurring decimals move to the left of the decimal point. In this example, we need to only move the number 1 to the left of the decimal point. So, it is enough we multiply our 10 once. On multiplying both sides by 10, we get 10 r equals 1.4 recurring. Now, let's move on to step 4 and subtract the smaller value from the larger one. First, let's subtract the values on the left side of the equation. 100 r minus 10 r equals 90 r. Next, let's subtract the recurring decimals. 14.4 recurring minus 1.4 recurring equals 13. So, the equation becomes 90 r equals 13. Now, it's time to move to the final step of finding the value of r and simplifying. R equals 13 over 90. Can you simplify the fraction further? No, we cannot. 0.14 recurring equals a fraction of 13 over 90.